Hello friends, today I'm at the rosary fair. I will talk about rosaries. I show you some rosaries. Let's start. Here there is Olturak rosaries. If the details on the rosaries are made from Olturak, they are usually decorated with silver because silver matches with deep black color stone very well. You can see many kind of stones here. They're steels. And here, the one you see here is ivory rosary. It's known for their smooth texture and elegant appearance. It's very cool, I guess. And here, the yellow rosaries are Russian style amber rosaries. They are very popular because of their warm colors, lightweight and shiny natural look here. And these are shiny embers, normal embers. Here there are brooches and necklace pendants. Here there is a pearl rosary, and here there is knife handles. You can put knives in it. And here there is amber rocks. You can buy a rock and then give someone to make rosaries. It's the end of another video, friends. Goodbye at the next video.